Good Saturday morning. We are going to cook Suny-Side-Up eggs in our casserette. I don't own this idea. Angelus Brady suggested cooking eggs in the casserette on the stove. That's a good idea. Something we haven't done. The issue is, inside of the pan is nice and smooth. That's good. The bottom of the pan, you've got a thick rimmed here, indentation here. So the thick part may not heat up as evenly as the center, which means the sides of the eggs may not cook. Oh, by the way, my little beautiful brand new casserette has like a little brown spot, and it's part of the ceramic. It cannot come out. It was there when I opened the box. This is not food. That's not burnt on food. We're going to use butter, good old butter. We're going to cook 2 eggs in our thingy. I've got dry skin. I get cracks in my finger, especially during the winter time. I apologize for the Band-Aid. It is not pretty. Pepper. Gotta have pepper. We're almost out of salt. A little bit of salt. Are the yolks overcooked? Yes, the yolks are overcooked. That's okay. This was our first oval egg. There's some yolk. Not much. I'm okay with that today. Okay. Casserette eggs. That was silly and fun. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching.